Hello, Fox, skeleton mechanic back again with Audi TT, timing chain, balance shaft. Small history about this car. Overheat, replaced water pump, replaced radiator, replaced this and that, replaced everything. And guess what? The problem was the balance shaft. So the balance shaft broke. Something I've never seen before. You all know what this is. This broke from right there. And so the water pump wasn't spinning because the balance shaft was stationary. What time is it? Should be 10:30 p.m. and before I go home to sleep, I have to drive this car and take me home to sleep. A brief saying, La Chan Pinero. Find out that word. So everything is on spec, the timing, up and down. Next thing, sliding the balance shaft in and put everything back together. For those who think to take out the balance shaft, you need to take out the engine. Hell fucking no. You got to take out the mounting, the engine mount, lower the engine gently, and the balance shaft will come out right from here. And you pull it out, slide in the new one, put back everything with smiles. I don't want to explain to you how I took out this bolts that drives the water pump. That is my secret. You want to find me? Find me in Canada. He's a senior mechanic. All right, that's it.